Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and today I'll be showing you how to change your iPhone passcode to a 4-digit code. Let's get right to it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. From there, scroll down until you see either Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode, depending on your model. Once you find it, tap on that option. You'll then be asked to enter your current passcode in order to proceed. After entering your passcode, scroll down a little further and tap on Change Passcode. You'll need to enter your current passcode again as a security step. After that, you'll see a screen where you can create a new passcode. At this point, you want to tap on Passcode Options, which is where you'll get the choice for different types of passcodes. To change your passcode to 4 digits, select 4-digit numeric code. Now, keep in mind, Apple recommends using a 6-digit code for better security. And in a way, they push users to adopt the more secure option. However, if you prefer the 4-digit code, you can go ahead with this option. Once you've chosen the 4-digit option, enter the passcode you'd like to use, then confirm it by entering the same code again. Finally, tap Done to save your new passcode. That's it. You've now successfully changed your iPhone passcode to 4 digits. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tips. See you later.